Alright, so as you know, we did get the YXZ. It's me, my brother, and my white friend Christian. We're the ones that got it. It's gonna do a little video on how to make the YXZ look better. For those of you that are my OG subscribers, if you guys want to watch this, that's cool, you know. Hope you guys are enjoying the YXZ stuff. We're gonna be going to Glamis this next week. Gonna have an epic video for you guys. So what I'm gonna be doing today is just basically showing you how to make the YXZ look a little cleaner or a little more unique, because a lot of them, they kind of look the same. I'm gonna show you guys on how to make it look pretty gangster, because it looks sick when you take off the stickers, and I'm gonna show you what I mean, because the way it looks now is not that great, but once you take off the stickers, it's gonna look chingon. This is how it looks with the stickers on. It looks already kind of nice with the wheels on that we bought and the paddles, but still, it's gonna look way better right now, trust me. Let's go ahead and just take off the stickers. And yeah, this thing, we literally just got it. Like, the tags are still on the tires, even back here. We were working on it last night, but yeah, this thing's brand new. It has about 3.3 hours on it, because we drove it down the street. We were driving on the street. It was at night, and this camera's not that good at night, but just showing you guys still. This is the YXZ we picked up, which is, I don't know, it's badass, man. It's badass. All right, let's go ahead and take off these stickers already. There's just this corner right here. Basically just get the corner and start pulling it. Alright, that's just the door. And look, it already looks way better. You don't, to me, it makes the car not look cheap, because the sticker, I don't know, makes it look cheap. Now let's take off this back one right here. Bam, there's that center one. And let me stand up here to show you guys. Bam, look at that. Doesn't it look way better? All we did was just take off the stickers, and look how much cleaner it looks. It looks like built. I don't know. It just does. It looks badass, man. Like, wow. Can't believe. Just by taking off stickers, look how clean it looks. Really good. Looks really good. Alright, now let's take off this little one back here. I kind of want to leave it on, but it kind of looks better without it, because it's just like randomly placed there. So let's go ahead and take it off. So yeah, we took off the back sticker, and look how amazing it looks. Tell me if you guys think it looks pretty much like custom built. Like it just looks so nice. All we did was just take the stickers off. So now you guys know, if you guys have this same one, the 2018, or even the other ones, just take the stickers off and it'll look way better, man. Like, literally, that's all we did. Well, and the paddles and wheels make it look nice, but still, if you just look at the car right here, like, look at that. It looks way better without the stickers, man. And yeah, we did put a flag on it last night. Let me show you guys that. Yeah, we wired in a LED whip. It's a 5150 whip. It's like full LED, color changeable and everything. I wired it up. I'm not done yet. I need to get some zip ties and zip tie it to the roll cage and all right here, and just get it all nice and clean and wrap all that up, because we just did the add a wire or whatever. And just in case, if you guys have a YXZ, just letting you guys know now, the blue wire here is power, and the black wire obviously is ground, and this yellowish one is signal, just to have the brake light turn on. So the blue one's power, so you guys know if you guys are going to go through that. But yeah, I just need to tape it up right here and have it looking nice and clean, and it'll look pretty much factory once I have all that done. Yeah, because we're going to do all kinds of stuff to this, like turbo it and stuff like that. But for now, we just got it literally 2 days ago now, and we put wheels on it, took the stickers off, and we did like an exhaust delete, or like the baffle, but I'll show you guys that right now. Oh, and this is the controller for the LED whip that we put on right here. I'll show you guys how that works. Basically, just turn the ignition on, and then we got the lights right here. Bam, and then you just turn it on with the remote, and then bam, it's on. You could do different things with it, you know, have a little disco, and change the speed on it, all that, or just have it one solid color like that. And then change the brightness too as well. You can make it bright or dim it down. pretty sick. There's lots of things you can do with this thing. It's pretty sick. But yeah, pretty sick. And let me show you guys how the exhaust sounds. Alright guys, this is with the it's the resonator delete in here. We took out the baffle in there and it sounds a little better. I wish I had the sound of it how it sounded stock, but I don't. But just in case, it's a stock exhaust still. Just we took this off here and basically hollowed it out and just put a screen mesh in there just in case we get pulled over. And it's considered a spark arrestor. But yeah, let me show you guys on how it sounds. Let me turn it on. But yeah guys, this thing sounds way better. It looks way better just by taking off the stickers and basically the baffle. And this thing is pretty much completely stock still, and we got a lot of more things to do with it. We might do a custom cage. Well, we are put a light bar on. I didn't show on how to wire up the whip, but it's not too hard. And but yeah, there's gonna be a lot of videos on this YXZ, trust me. We're going out of Glamis, so don't forget to subscribe and like the video, because there's gonna be a lot of clips of it. And if you guys have one, or I don't know, but if you guys like these things, it's gonna be pretty fun. So stay tuned for all these videos that's gonna come with this thing. Don't think I'm gonna forget about the Evo and the race car. Wow, that sounded nice. It sounded like an Infinity or something. Don't worry, I'm not gonna forget about the Evo and the race car. Trust me, I'm still gonna record those things, but for now we're gonna be doing a little bit of the YXZ stuff. So peace out, you guys.